Is it just me or korang pun suka small talk dengan orang? Dulu, masa lagi event kan, I tak suka small talk. Sebab I selalu disajikan dengan, I tak suka pergi event. Everyone is fake. I don't know how to do small talk. Small talk is so boring. Lama-lama I sedar bahawa manusia ni, macam-macam kita boleh belajar dengan orang. Sejahat-jahat manusia dan sebaik-baik manusia ni, ada je benda dan ilmu, pengalaman yang kita boleh absorb. So sekarang bila lagi event, I suka small talk. Ada this one cooking show yang I buat, I small talk dengan this couple. Tiba-tiba I tahu banyak benda pasal hidup diorang. And suddenly diorang ajak pergi Terengganu sebab diorang ada rumah kampung kat Terengganu yang aman sangat. And diorang cakap, Dana, anytime pergi Terengganu, you let me know. I perasan lah, sebab kita orang kata bukan hanya bina relationship baru, tapi kita juga maintain relationship yang ada. Lama-lama ada je orang yang recommend I dekat clients, nak collaborate project. Banyak pintu-pintu rezeki dan peluang-peluang yang terbuka sebabkan of the small talk. I also selalu perasan kalau lagi event, I akan cakap I nak balik awal, but I'm always the last one to leave. Sebab I akan terhanyut dengan small talk. I perasan because of all these little hubungan, friendships yang kita bina, mana-mana I pergi, apa I buat, I tak pernah lonely. Belum lagi kita tahu macam-macam jenis dugaan yang orang pernah lalui. Kita dapat tips kehidupan, tips makanan, memasak, tips hubungan. Don't underestimate small talk. Small talk tu kita yang bentuk. Kadang-kadang orang kata, alah shallow lah small talk tu. Tak payahlah shallow kan. Be genuinely interested. Kita kena jujur interested dengan kehidupan orang tu. Tahu-tahu you build a friendship. You know, macam this one couple pula, she's a doctor, kerja dekat Singapore. The husband kerja dekat KL, tapi dia basically train siapa-siapa yang mungkin nak masuk alam pekerjaan tapi diorang ada masalah mental disability, dia training untuk masuk workforce. Lepas tu dia kata ramai orang buat event dekat situ. Saya terus macam lah, better daripada I just buat makan-makan with my fan club. Baik I anjurkan something with my fans dekat tempat macam tu. Tukang masak tu semua are people with autism. So kita support a cause and also kita pun bina awareness kita tentang isu ni dan sebagainya. And you bridge all these little like connections together about the world tau. So it's beautiful to me. My life has changed for the better. Also, during small talk, jangan lupa juga korang bagi tahu people what you're doing. Tengah sama belajar, I tengah buat projek ni, I impi untuk buat tu. It's not about showing off. It's about building connection. It's about trying to find relatable things we can talk about. So lama-lama, they might know people who could help you, who could connect you, or it's just like common interests that can actually strengthen the friendship. It is such a skill to learn how to just talk to anyone. If you look at the world as an opportunity of just learning about life, about how rich life is through all the experiences that you go through, I believe your life will be so much better. So don't underestimate small talk. Bye.